All right, folks, how you doing? Jeff from RV Diagnostics, working on a YAMAHA EF3000 generator. They call it a generator and inverter. So basically, we had a no crank. Of course, you know, it was in storage, and I asked the ultimate question: have you started it up every 30 days and put a load on? No. Have you put fuel stabilizer in? No. So you know what I had to do. Here we go. We're going to turn around and go over some stuff. One, when I tested the battery, it was bad. Even when I got it running, the output of the alternator was 26 volts DC. Now it's back. I got a battery in it. I had to put sea foam in the fuel tank. Now, when I show you, this is the same as other generators that I did, videos. This little screw at the bottom of the bowl, right there at the end of the screwdriver. Watch it down here, okay? That's the drain, right? There it goes. There you go. See, it's just pouring out. Look at that. And it's clean. You smell it. It smells like varnished. So let me, yeah, I know the video ain't, it's bouncing around and all that, but here you go. All right. So basically, this model, Yamaha EF3000iSEB, the battery is under this cover, which is right here. And it's 10mm bolts that hold it on, all right? And I drained it here, put some fuel stabilizer in it, used this sea foam. I've already blowed it into the carburetor. All right, that's the carburetor down there where that red thing is. This is the choke, and I just manually do it by hand instead of up front. All right, and then there's the battery. All right, so I'm gonna put it on hold. All right, so this had a strap in it that buckles into here that keeps the battery on. The positive's tight, so I'll put that in there. Now I'm going to bolt these down. All right, let's show you here. There they are, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, they're all about the same length. Okay, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the battery is. The opposite side of where the exhaust is. See, it even says hot right there. So I'll put you on pause and button down the battery hold down. Remember, make sure the strap's in. These are tight, positive, negative. I'll start it and I'll let you see the charging voltage. So we got it running. Put the choke in there. Plate. Light on it. Alright. Watch the plate move. Moving in there. All right, now we're going to do a battery voltage test. All right, so we're getting 12.9 volts out of it. Little generator's picking up. All right, so we put sea foam in here. We're draining the carburetor out. The new carburetor was installed about 3 years ago. We haven't used it since. So he's running. He's doing good. All right, so shut it off, and I'm going to put the covers back on. It's an electric start, so that's pretty nice for anyone to have. All right, so I'm going to put you on pause and put the covers on. All right, so what we did, we put the air filter in and the air filter cap back on. All right. Now we'll put this cover on right here, and we'll put this cover on. It's this big one back there. They're all foamed up for sound insulation. All right, and you screw that on right there. So this is Jeff. Let me put you on pause. I'll get them covers on. All right, here we go. We're gonna go for another start. Reach over here, do a hand crank, pull the choke out a little bit. Covers are on, making sure there's airflow, right? You feel this here, because it blows it out this way, even though that's exhaust. That's the exhaust, this is the airflow from the fan. system. All right, so you got to keep these covers on to keep the air flowing through the whole engine. All right, there you go, folks. That's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Thank you. 4 ways to get a hold of me. 1 is the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics for troubleshooting. 2 is email, jeff@rvdiagnostics. 3rd one is at the garage in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. The 4th one is on, hold on. 4th one is the website, which is one-on-one, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's where I do one-on-one with you, teach you anything you need to know, gas, diesels, generators, RVs, bumper to bumper, from bottom of the tire to the top. So it doesn't matter. Electrical, mechanical, chemical, doesn't matter. All right, and then of course you're watching this YouTube channel. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Please, I already said this on my maintenance videos, preventive maintenance videos, please put fuel additive in them, in your fuel tanks, whether diesel or gas. Run everything every 30 days and shut it down with the fuel stabilizer in it. You will buy less carburetors, have less generator problems. Folks, it just saves you money. That's what this was all about. He didn't start it up, and he didn't put fuel stabilizer in it. So, you know what I mean? It cost him a couple bucks. But thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.